Most people think you need fancy software to make a cartoon video, but you can absolutely do it in Canva. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to build cartoon scenes, add smooth motion, and export it ready to post. And the best part? Once you learn this method, you can remix the same process for classroom lessons, kids' projects at home, YouTube content, social posts, you name it. Just swap the characters, topic, and the script. It's insanely versatile. Let's get started. All right, today we're going to work on creating an animated cartoon. I'm here in Canva. I'll go to Video, click on that. You can choose any format you want, but I'm going to choose Landscape. This is the video editor in Canva. So the first thing I'll do is come over here to Elements. I'll click on that, and I'm going to choose Biplane. I'll choose this one. Next, I'm going to flip it. Now I need a landscape. Let's go to Graphics and choose something like this. I'll take it and make it bigger. And I'm going to drag it down here for now. Actually, I'm going to change my mind. I'll get rid of that one, and I'll replace it with this. There we go. I'll enlarge it like that. All right, so let's put this here. Now I'm going to detach it from the background so that I can move it wherever I want to. So I've got my airplane up here. Now I need a sky. But this time I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to go to Videos and search for Sky. Let's see what's in here. And you can see how long they are here. You can also see some are premium and some are free. For right now, I'll grab this one and pull it right down here and make it fill up more of the space. But it's covering my grass and I don't want that. So in this case, make sure the sky is clicked on, then go to Position and click on Layers. And now I'll drag it to the back, just like that. Problem solved. Plus, now we've got the moving background going. Next, I'll take this airplane and I'll lengthen it so it's the whole length of this clip. I'll pull it right back over here and go to Animate and click on that. Click on this bee, and now I'll drag it across the sky like that. And then we can keep the movement style as is, or make it smooth or steady. I'm going to make it steady, and then click Done. Let's just watch a little bit of it. So you can see it's traveling across, so that's good. For the time being down here, I'm just going to click on Blank, and I'll drag it like that. Now I'll bring it down here. This time I'll choose a different kind of airplane. So I'll go back up here to Graphics. You can also generate them if you want to. How about a fighter jet? Yeah, this one will work. So I'll click on that, and I'm going to flip it. I'll put it right back over here, and then go back to Videos and find another sky video, and I'll drag it right there. I can pull it over right next to that one and shorten it. I'll keep this one about the same duration. I don't know why that's over there, but I'll drag it back over here. There. I'll go back here, go to Animation, choose Animated. Maybe I'll put some deer down here on the ground. And how about some trees? We're still in the animated section, so we can add some animated trees if we wanted to. I'm going to leave that one there, so I'll click on Position and pull it back behind it like that. See? Now the deer are in front. And now let's add some bushes. Bushes don't have to be moving, so I'll turn that off. Maybe like that. Okay, that'll work. And now let's add this fighter jet. We'll come up here to Animate, click on the bee, and then drag it across the screen like this. I'm going to choose Steady and make it go faster. So let's watch it and see what it does. Oh, sorry, let's scoot these back over. You have to watch your alignment here because these things will just sometimes just be added in weird places. Where did my jet go? Let's pull it up to the top layer. That's the problem, that's it. So you have to keep these in order from top to bottom. So now when we're watching it, we can see what's going on. Okay, that was too fast. So let's slow it down. Yeah, that'll work. Then click Done. So let's add one more. So let's look for a sky. I'll click on in the video section here and choose another one. Oh, this one has sky and the grass, so that'll be a good one. I'll put it right there, and we don't want it that long, so we'll shrink it down like that. And then enlarge it like that to fill more of the space. Next, I'll click Graphics and choose this one. So I'll put it right down here. And then click on Animate. Click on the bee, and I'll drag it across just like that. Then click Done. Next, let's add a few sounds. I'll go to a site called Pixabay and search in the sound effects section. So, go to Biplane, and I'll take this one and download it. If you need it, hear the license. Then I'll find sounds the same way for the other two planes in my video. Now I'm going up here to Uploads and click on that and drag in my airplane sounds there. Next, I'll drag them down here and change the volume to make them quieter. You'll have to experiment some with this. To make it easier, I'll add a split there, and then I'll drag this back down to match that so that we've got 3 pieces. Next, I'm go down here at this bottom where it says Zoom Page. Clip on this bottom one down here that looks like a ladder. Make this bigger, then you can see what you're doing so much easier. So I'll add a transition. Now I'll add my sounds here. I'm going to shrink it down and also add a fade at the end. Then I'll make it quieter. All right, and if that looks good and you're happy with it, let's go over here to Share. Click on that, then click on Download. In just a second, I'll show you the final product. You could create stories like these to use in your classroom, for your own kids, and more. If your kids are really into airplanes, helicopters, cars, dinosaurs, whatever, you could use this process and create a unique video just for them. These techniques are something that you can use to create all kinds of content. So I hope this lesson helps you see just a few of the things that you can do in Canva. And in just a second, when this finishes processing, I'll show you the final product.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.